Hello everyone, welcome to London Toys. Today we're going to play with this Play-Doh Sweet Shop Cupcake Tower. So let's open it and get started. So here is everything out of the box. We have 5 cans of Play-Doh, we have a lot of molds and plates and utensils. First I'm gonna take some pink Play-Doh and make the cupcake. And I'm going to just roll it between my hands to make it smooth. Just pop it into the cupcake mold. Let's close it and let's see how it turns out. And there we go, it looks really good. Let's just take it out of the mold and remove some extra Play-Doh. And here it is, our first cupcake. Next I'm going to use some blue Play-Doh to make a blue cupcake. So you just put it in the cupcake mold, push it down, and hopefully it will turn out really good. Yeah, it looks perfect! Awesome! Next let's make a brown cupcake. Next I'm going to use the molds to make some cupcake decorations. Now let's use this blue mold to make a heart. And again I'm using some pink Play-Doh for the heart, so just push it in and let's take it out and have a look. Yeah, it turned out really good. Now I'm gonna use some blue to make an elephant. So here we go! It's so adorable! Next, let's make a blue butterfly. Oh, it is so cute! So let's prepare the cone for the frosting. For that, I'm gonna take some green Play-Doh Plus and just roll it between your hands to make it to a long sausage. So that way it will fit easily into the cone. And now we just have to add the decorations that we made earlier. Now let's make some sugar pearls using the yellow Play-Doh. And our first cupcake is ready! It looks so delicious! Now for our second cupcake, I'm going to use the same yellow Play-Doh and make the frosting. Okay, let's start with the frosting. Oh, I guess I had some green left in the cone. But that's alright, the frosting looks even better now. Now time to add the blue decorations we made. Let's put the elephant right there and add the butterfly here. And we're done with the second cupcake. Next I'm gonna make the cupcake stand and show you guys how the frosting cone works. So the frosting for the last cupcake is gonna be yellow and green together. Let's see how this turns out. Alright, the cone is ready. Let's put the cupcake underneath. By the way, I forgot to put the plate underneath while I was shooting that. Anyway, so you push the cone from top and the frosting comes out. Now this cupcake needs some garnishing. For that I'm gonna take some pink Play-Doh and I'm gonna make a bow. And it looks perfect. Let's just add it to the cupcake and we're done. So here are all the cupcakes we made today. In the comments below, let me know which one is your favorite. Mine is the one in the middle with the bow. Now let's make some cookies. So here is an overview of everything we made today. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and I see you next time. Take care. Bye.